type 2, here particular integral of the form. Particular integral of the form. Here in the type 2 we find only the particular integral in terms of sine and cos. So sine ax divided by f of d square. Again cos ax divided by f of d square. This is the type 2. Here we have to replace, see properly, replace d square by minus a square. Replace d square by minus a square. So here I will write for sine ax. Sine ax divided by f of d square. According to the replacement, the d square should be replaced by minus a square, where f of minus a square is not equal to 0, where f of minus a square is not equal to 0. Same thing for cos ax. Cos ax divided by f of d square means cos ax. Here also in the place of d square we have to write minus a square. Here also we can write the same condition where f of minus a square is not equal to 0. Suppose if f of a square will be equal to 0. Same method we have to follow what we have used in the first type 1. This is sin ax divided by f of a square is equal to, if it is 0, we have to write x into sin ax divided by f dash of d square, divided by f dash of d square. Same thing for cos ax divided by f of d square. Here x into cos ax divided by f dash of d square, and so on and so on. This is the methodology we are going to apply in the type 2. Nothing we have to keep in your mind, wherever d square is there we have to replace minus a square. We should not consider minus a whole square. We have to write only minus a square. We have to write only minus a square. So let us see the first one. Let us see the first problem. Here cos 2x divided by d minus 1. Here we don't have d square, but according to the type 2, while replacing d square by a square, the denominator should contain d square. So what we have to do? Here we have to do the rationalization. Rationalization means here d minus 1 is there. Multiply and divide by d plus 1. Rationalization. Multiply and divide by d plus 1, because here d minus 1 is there. So again here d plus 1 into cos 2x divided by, it is in the form a minus b into a plus b. That means a square minus b square. So d square minus b square means 1 into 1, 1 square. It will come according to the b square. 1 square is 1. Now multiply d into cos 2x plus 1 into cos 2x is cos 2x divided by, as I told, replace d by, here you can write in the next step, replace d square by minus, here a value is 2, so minus a square means 2 square. So here I write in the place of d square minus 2 square minus 1. Now in the next line, differentiation of the cos 2x. Differentiation of the cos 2x is minus 2 sine 2x minus 2 sine 2x, because cos differentiation is minus sine. So minus 2 sine 2x plus cos 2x divided by minus 5, because minus 4 minus 1. Now in the numerator take out minus as a common. So 2 into sine 2x minus cos 2x divided by minus 5. So minus minus will get cancelled, remaining 2 sine 2x minus cos 2x divided by 5. Divided by 5. Is any doubt in this problem? Any doubt? Let us see the second one. Yes, second problem. Sine 3x divided by d square plus 4d plus 3. So here in the denominator already we have d square. So directly what we have to do, replace d square by minus a square. That is d square by minus, yes, what is our a value in this problem?
3, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Our a value is 3. So here 3 square, that means d square by minus 9. So here we can write sine 3x divided by, in the place of d square I write minus 9 plus 4d plus 6 I write as it is. Again sine 3x divided by 4d minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3. Minus 9 plus 6 is minus 3. Again for this term we have to do the rationalization, that is 4d minus 3, sorry, here I think 3. Yes, here we get 6. Yes, right. Make the correction. Here it is 3. Again, minus 9 plus 6 is minus 6. Sorry, minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. Here also minus 6. So, doing the rationalization. Here 4d minus 6 is there. So, opposite sign. We have to see always the mid number. Sorry, mid sign. Here minus is there. When we are doing the rationalization, opposite sign we have to take. So 4d plus 6 divided by 4d plus 6. That is the rationalization rule. So again 4d plus 6 into sine 3x, that is the numerator. Again a minus b, a plus b. So 4 into 4, 16 d square minus 6 into 6, 36. So here I write 4 into differentiation of sine 3x plus 6 into sine 3x divided by 16 into, already we know our a value is 3. So minus a square means minus 9 minus 36. So here differentiation of the sine 3x is 3. 4 into 3 cos 3x plus 6 sine 3x divided by, in the denominator, 16 nines are. What is 16 nines are? What is 16 nines are?
144, ma'am.
It's 144 minus 36. Minus 144 minus 36 means minus 180. So here 4 into 3, 12. Here 6 is there. So I take 6 as a common from both the term. So here 12 means 2 cos 3x plus sin 3x divided by minus 180. So 6 ones are 6 threes are. So here we get minus of 2 cos 3x plus sin 3x whole divided by 180 whole by 2 y double dash minus 4y dash plus 13y is equal to cos 2x is equal to cos 2x. So here what we have to do, first we have to write in terms of differential operator, that is d square minus 4d plus 13 whole into y is equal to cos 2x. Next, auxiliary equation means d should be written in terms of m. So m square minus 4m plus 13 here is equal to 0. So here directly we can apply the quadratic equation formula, that is m is equal to, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 13. So minus of minus 4 means plus 4 because formula is minus b. So minus into minus plus 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4 into 13 divided by 2. So 4 plus or minus 16 minus 52 divided by 2, that is equal to 4 plus or minus root 36 divided by 2. So 4 plus or minus root 36 minus 36 means 6i divided by 2. Take out 2 as a common. So we get 2 into 2 plus or minus 3i divided by 2. So here we got the root 2 plus or minus 3i. Now yc, this is our p value and this is our q value. This is the case 3. So here c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x into e power px means e power 2x. This is the complementary solution. Next we have to find yp, that is write the RHS side, that is cos 2x divided by, write the differential operator, d square minus 4d plus 13. So here, yes, I write here, replace d square by minus, what is our a value? A is equal to, what is our, yes, a is equal to 2. Now here replace d square by minus 2 square, that means d square by minus 4. So write here cos 2x divided by minus 4 in the place of d square, again minus d plus 13. So cos 2x divided by minus 4d, again minus 4 plus 13 is plus 9. So what I will do, I will take minus sign as a common from the denominator. So cos 2x divided by 4d minus 9. 4d minus 9. So minus cos 2x divided by 4d minus 9. So what should be our rationalization for both numerator and denominator? Divide and multiply by 4d plus 9 because we have here minus, so opposite sign, 4d plus 9. So I write minus outside. So here 4 into differentiation of cos 2x plus 9 into cos 2x. Again in the denominator a minus b, a plus b. 16d square minus 81. So minus 4 into differentiation of the cos 2x is minus 2 sine 2x plus 9 into cos 2x divided by, here also in the place of d square we have to replace minus 4. Minus 4. Again minus 81. Here. Again what we have to do? 4 into 2. Minus 8 sine 2x plus 9 cos 2x divided by, in the denominator 6 4s are 64. 64 minus 81 is minus 145. Minus 64 minus 81 is minus 145. Minus will get cancelled. Remaining 9 cos 2x minus 8 sine 2x divided by 145. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. Don't forget to write this last step. C1 cos 3x, C2 sin 3x into e power 2x plus 9 cos 2x minus 8 sin 2x divided by 145. This is here also in the form of y only they have given y double dash plus 9y is equal to cos 2x into cos x. Yes, here also we have to start the problem with writing the differential operator, that is d square plus 9 whole into y is equal to cos 2x into cos x. Next, auxiliary equation is m square plus 9 is equal to 0. M is equal to plus or minus 3i. Yc will be, here p value we don't have, so I will put 0. So C1 cos 3x plus C2 sin 3x. Here e power 0x is 1. So I just write that one also. Next, yp cos 2x cos x divided by d square plus 9. So here we have to write the formula. Here I write cos A into cos B. What is the formula? 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Now you can tell for this one. So 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B means 2x plus x is 3x plus cos of A minus B, 2x minus x is cos x divided by d square plus 9. You have to remember all these formulas, cos A cos B, cos A sin B, sin A cos B, like that you have to remember. Now I just divide this individually, that is cos 3x divided by d square plus 9. Here cos x divided by d square plus 9. 1 by 2 into, I write P1 plus P2. So here 1 by 2. Sorry, first we write P1. P1 is equal to cos 3x divided by d square plus 9. d square is replaced by minus of, what is our a value?
3, ma'am.
Yes, d square is replaced by minus which value?
Minus 9.
Minus 9. Yes. Now cos 3x divided by minus 9 plus 9. As we are following the same method, denominator is equal to 0. So if denominator is 0, first write x, then write the numerator cos 3x. What is the differentiation of the d square? Differentiation of d square is
2D.
2d. So here I write x by 2. I already told the reciprocal of the differentiation. This is the definition of the integration. The reciprocal of the differentiation is integration. So I write integration of cos 3x into dx. So I write x by 2. Integration of cos 3x is sin 3x divided by 3. Sin 3x divided by 3. Now come back for the next one, P2. P2. Here you can write x into sin 3x divided by 6. P2 is cos x divided by d square plus 9. Here what is our a value?
1.
Yes, a value is 1. So d square is replaced by minus 1. Minus 1 square is minus 1. Cos x divided by minus 1 plus 9. So we get cos x divided by 8. So yp is equal to, I am just multiplying 1 by 2 into p1, means x into sin 3x divided by 6 into 2, 12. Again cos x divided by 8 into 2 is 16. Therefore, y is equal to yc plus yp. yc is c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x e power 0x is 1 plus x into sin 3x divided by 12 plus cos x divided by 16. This is the answer for the second one. Third one, d cube minus 1 y is equal to 3 cos 2x. Here directly they have given in the form of differential operator. So we can write auxiliary equation is m cube minus 1 is equal to 0. So for this one what we have to use, using a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So here I write m cube minus 1 cube is equal to m minus 1 m square plus m plus 1. Same thing we have to write here, m minus 1 in the place of m cube minus 1, write m minus 1 plus m square plus m plus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to plus 1. One more, m is equal to, here we can write a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1. Next, here minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2. So minus 1 plus or minus root 3 into I square, because minus 1 we can write in the form of I square divided by 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2 into I. Now write the complementary function. First, this belongs to case 1 and this belongs to case 3. So C1 e power x plus C2 cos root 3 by 2 x plus C3 sin root 3 by 2 x. Here p value we have e power minus 1 by 2 into x. This is the p value. Next, find out the yp. 3 into cos 2x divided by d cube minus 1. Here we can rewrite this one as a 3 into cos 2x. This d cube I can write it as a d square into d minus 1. D square into d. Again it will become d cube minus 1, right, as it is. So here a value. What is our a value here? Yes, a is equal to 2. So d square is replaced by minus 4. So yp is equal to 3 into cos 2x divided by, in the place of d square I write 4, d I write as it is minus 1. In the denominator we can take minus as a common term. So minus 3 into cos 2x divided by 4d plus 1. Again rationalization, cos 2x divided by 4d plus 1. What will be our rationalization here? What will be our rationalization for 4d plus 1? Yes, 4d minus 1 divided by 4d minus 1. Now, minus 3 into 4 into differentiation of the cos 2x, again minus cos 2x. In the denominator, it is in the form a plus b into a minus b. So 16d square minus 1 minus 3 into differentiation of the cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x minus cos 2x I write as it is. We all know the d square value is minus 4. So minus 4 minus 1. So again minus 3. Here in the numerator I take minus as a common. So minus into minus it will become plus 8 sin 2x plus cos 2x, because I have taken minus as a common term in the numerator. Already we have minus here, so minus into minus plus. So minus 64 minus 1 is minus 65. So this is the answer of yp. Therefore y is equal to yc plus yp. C1 e power x plus C2 cos root 3 by 2x plus C3 sin root 3 by 2x into e power minus 1 by 2x minus 3 by 65 into 8 sin 2x plus cos 2x. This is the final answer. M cube plus 4m is equal to 0. Here I take m as a common, so remain m square plus 4 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 0, m is equal to plus or minus 2i. This is case 1 and this is case 3. So yc is c1 e power 0x. Here p value is not there. So c2 cos 2x plus c3 sin 2x into e power 0x. So it becomes c1 plus C2 cos 2x plus C3 sin 2x. Now we have to find the YP. YP is sin 2x divided by d cube plus 4d. So here what is our A value?
2,
2,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, very good. A value is 2. D square is replaced by minus 2 square means minus 4. Minus 4. So sin 2x, here I split this d cube as a d square into d plus 4d. So sin 2x divided by d square means minus 4. Here I will write d plus 4d. This means denominator is 0. When denominator is 0, we have to write x into sin 2x. Differentiation of this f of d. Differentiation of this f of d means d cube differentiation is 3d square plus 4. 3d square plus 4. Again x into sin 2x. Here also we have to replace d square is equal to minus 4. Plus 4 I will write as it is. X into sin 2x divided by minus 12 plus 4 is minus 8. This is the answer. Now y is equal to yc plus yp. That means c1 plus c2 cos 2x plus c3 sin 2x minus x sin 2x divided by 8. X sin 2x divided by 8. This is